Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Margot. Welcome back. As I just said, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and yeah, just hit the notifications bell. And if you don't know me, I do slime videos and like skits and just a whole bunch of stuff like that. So today I'm going to be doing my newer slimes. So yeah, let's get right onto this video. This one is a Riverdale theme slime. You probably won't get it if you don't watch Riverdale, but this is called Cheryl's Cherry Coke, and it's because Cheryl loves red and cherries. And so yeah, it's really nice. It's jelly slime. It's really sticky. I literally just activated this and it was overactivated it. I don't know why I said that, but it's really overactivated. I need to activate it a lot. And even when I activate it a lot, like literally an hour later, because I'm melted. But yeah, I really like this one. And today's question, there's two. One is, who's your most favorite singer and what song? Mine is Billie Eilish, and my favorite song from her is Lovely. And my favorite character in Riverdale, if you watch it, I can't choose. I think it would be Jughead, either Jughead, in between of Jughead, Tony, and Cheryl. So yeah, this one's super nice, and it's activated perfectly. It's activated like perfectly. But yeah, it's really nice jelly slime. I need to really hurry up. I can probably only do like a minute for each slime. This one, I forgot what I called it. So yeah, I don't really think I have a name for this one, unless I just forgot what it was called. This slime's kind of sticky too, but not really. Oh yeah, this one's called Seafoam. It's a really nice, pretty seafoamy green color. You can't really see, it's really dark in here, but yeah, it's like a greeny kind of mixed with just a tiny hint of blue. It's really nice, really stretchy, and really clicky. I don't know why I'm so cringy today. Well, I'm cringy every day, but I'm cringier today. This one is called Strawberry Birthday Cake Gloss. Has these sprinkles in it, like faux sprinkles, scattered around this in here. It's like a baby pink color. This used to be a strawberry milk slime, but I changed it up because I had that for a long time. It's kind of turning gray a little bit, so yeah. And by the way, these are the slime I made a month ago or less, so yeah. Next slime is this one. It's called Cucumber Melon. It's a really pretty slime with these teal and white foam beads in it. It's super, super nice. Oh, by the way, guys, I ordered these pastel foam beads here from Amazon. And these two cotton candy and bubblegum scents, and they both smell amazing, and I really like each of them. And this slime makes really good bubble pops. It's just kind of sticky right now, but yeah. It's really, really nice, and I really like it. It's super clicky, and yeah. Cucumber Melon. This one is super, super sticky, so I'm not going to take it out of the container, but it's one of my favorite slimes. It's called Neon Green Lime, I think it's called Neon Green Lime or something, or Lime Green, I don't know. But it's really pretty green color. It's like a mix of green and yellow, which is the prettiest green ever. This is the prettiest green ever, seriously. But yeah, that one's this one. This one's a Mud Mask. It's literally my favorite slime I have almost. It's a recreation of Unicorn Slime Shop, aka Joseph Anthony. I don't know if you say Joseph Anthony or Joseph Anthony because it's with a T and without an H. So it's really spreadable and really soft. It's one of those slimes that's kind of firm when you take it out of the container, but the more you play with it, the more like fluffy and pretty it gets and like spreadable. It's a butter fluff or something. It's a butter cloud cream or something. I just call it a buttercream, but yeah. Nice. It's a mix of Daiso clay and instant snow inside of a big slime. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see that save? Oh, that really scared me, guys. This is an old slime, so I cannot be showing that right now. But yeah, next slime is literally my favorite slime I own. But I say favorite, when I say favorite, I mean like my absolute favorite. This was, I played with this like a little bit ago, so all the foam beads are still scattered. They haven't completely rose to the top yet, and it's my Froyo Foam slime. Do a little quick ASMR of this because it's so nice. Like, it's really crunchy. Hear those? Like, it never ends. I love when you pull a foam slime and it makes that crunch noise. I think it always does that, but like, it's so nice. This is literally my favorite slime I have that I've ever made. Okay. Next slime is, I believe it's cotton. Yeah, this one's my cotton candy slime. Has some purple, pink, and blue foam beads in here. When my cousin came here, she just thought it was a normal slime, so she mixed in these green ones, which I'm okay with because they're pretty and you can't really see it unless you look at the slime closely, which I don't think people are gonna be like that playing with it, but yeah. It's a really nice slime and it's blue cotton candy scented. And guys, I'm sick, so I might be like, I don't know what it's called, but I might be like going like that a lot. I don't know what's called, snorting, I don't know. But yeah, this is called Pink Bubblegum. It looks like bubblegum. It smells like bubblegum. It feels like bubblegum. Like if bubblegum was slime, this is how it would feel like. It's kind of a gummy texture too, and it's so stretchy. And it's so nice. I love this one. It's the perfect bubblegum pink color. My dad even came and he asked like, why are you playing with bubblegum? I said, it's not bubblegum, it's slime. It literally smells like it. It's amazing. You guys are probably gonna be like, you're just saying that 'cause it's your own slime, but no. This is the most amazing slime I ever felt that's like non-textured. That's just a thick slime, so yeah. This is cotton or fairy floss, I think, and it's scented cotton candy. I only have 2 cents, guys, so yeah. It's really fluffy. It's a cloud slime, by the way. I think I said that already, but yeah. Guys, today is February 27, 2019. I got kicked out of my TikTok that had a lot of followers. I think it had about 500, which is a lot for me because, like, it's the most followers I've ever had. And, for some reason, it just kicked me out. So I just decided to delete it. This slime is a slice slime, and it's super nice. I think TikTok deleted everyone that was under 13. This is so nice. It's like the perfect slay slime. It has the perfect amount of like 1/8 amount of clay in it. It's made with Model Magic, by the way. I prefer Model Magic slimes over Daiso slimes. I don't know. Model Magic is just denser and glossier, and I prefer that. It's really nice. Really stretchy, beautiful, teal green color, or like more blue, teal blue color. It's great. Okay, this is the last slime that's under a month. It is called Birthday Cake Cloud Cream, and it is really wet, but it's like amazing. It smells like birthday cake. I think my friend gave me this scent. Or no. It's not a scent. It's actually a hand sanitizer scent that I adore. It's called like Sorry I'm Latte or something. I don't know. But it's from Bath & Body Works. It's really nice. Do you guys say hand sanitizers or pocket bags? I don't really like saying pocket bags. I just say hand sanitizers or sanitizers. But yeah, this has like the perfect cakey, like really light yellow color. It has a whole bunch of sprinkles in it, like fake sprinkles. Whenever I say sprinkles, I mean fake sprinkles, guys. So yeah, super nice. This smell actually smells a lot like birthday cake. It's supposed to smell like a latte or something, but to me it smells exactly like a birthday cake or something like that, or like a sweet dessert. This one is a fluffy slime. I know I said it was the last one, but this one actually is over a month old. I just wanted to show it to you guys because I don't think I ever have shown this one to you guys, since it's like not my most popular slime I have. It's really nice, really stretchy. I already played with it in like a few weeks, so it's definitely underactivated a lot, which is good because it was super overactivated. It was a fluffy slime. I don't know why. Fluffy slimes do not stick to these containers from Michaels. They're 8 ounces, but I think they're lying and secretly giving us 6 ounces. Because it is not 8 ounces of slime. Or like 6 ounces of slime. But it says 8 ounce on the lid. Right there. You guys probably can't see and you guys probably don't care, but yeah. Anyways, that is all for this video. Make sure to like this video, like I said in the beginning, comment your favorite slime and the answer to the question, and if you skipped ahead the intro. The question was, who is your favorite singer and who is your favorite singer and what's your favorite song made by them? And who is your favorite Riverdale character? Yeah, and also put your favorite slime. I probably already said that, but yeah, follow me on Instagram at UFO_slimes and Nerdy Mermaid 10. So yeah, bye guys.